Good morning, guys. Welcome to my early morning weekday routine. Although I find it hard to wake up early, there is a certain magic in having a new day all to yourself, at least for a while. Now that the mornings are getting lighter and the weather is warming up, I want to get down to the allotment if I can, just for half an hour every morning, weather dependent. I've been reading a book that's called The Half-Hour Allotment, and it's about busy people that work and how you can still get a lot done with just putting a little bit of effort in every day. It's such a beautiful time of the day to be down here. It's just me, the crows, and nature doing its thing. I think it's a great way to let your mind breathe before the busyness of the world kicks in. It lets me wake up slowly and peacefully, and I get to enjoy the gorgeous sights of the early morning. I normally get home about 6:15, and now that I'm properly awake, I like to squeeze in a little bit of exercise.
Curtains sway gently by the window.
I recently put my gym membership on pause because I needed to make time for the allotment in its peak growing season. And I realised pretty quickly that if I didn't do it before work, it won't get done.
Wind dancing on my skin makes me stay in bed a little longer to hear you breathe in. Long for those quiet days when the hours drift away. Petals fall on the window pane as the clouds above float away. Evening comes with a fading summer light.
After I've done my workout, I like to have a nice hot shower, get ready for the day and make a healthy breakfast.
And you're sleeping.
Today I'm going to make a smoothie. It's one by Deliciously Ella and it's her blueberry smoothie and it is delicious. It tastes so good. It has dates, flax seeds, chia seeds, almond butter, blueberries, bananas and oats, which you'll see in a minute. just before 7 and it's time to log on for the day. Doing these things before work makes me feel on top of things and ready for the day. Doesn't always go to plan. Other things crop up and that's fine. But when I can, I do. And I feel so much better for it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a magical day.